today's video is going to be a full-on tutorial on this face right here. I know that highlight is a baby. I decided to do the base of my face, the eyeshadow, everything on camera so you guys can see how to recreate this look. It all started off as a pink blown out smoky eye, and then once I added the glitter, you guys, it started to give me Barbie vibes. I feel like it looks pretty nice and blown out. I dig it. I'm not a pink person, but this look is making me feel some type of way. Anyways guys, before we get started, if you are not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. And with that being said, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. That being said, let's go ahead and get started into this full baked Barbie looking as fuck tutorial. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can get started. So starting off with this Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist. It has rose water and it also has green tea. I'm gonna use this to prime my skin. Never mind, we are not gonna use that. The spritz on this is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I'm just gonna take my Essence Prime HD Hydra Coconut Spray. It has a better mister than the other one, so I'm gonna let that sink into my skin. And I am getting like allergies. I think I have an infection on my eyes actually. They hurt. I don't know, they just feel weird. All right guys, so I'm also gonna take some of this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this stuff. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that this is a bomb ass product. It like all over. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation with the Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. I do not know why do I feel so shaky, but I feel so shaky. Anyways, this one is dewy. I know it says it's a matte finish. I do not think it's a matte finish. It's very dewy on me and it is super, super, super full coverage. So I'm just gonna mix the two. So now I am wearing a shirt, by the way. I know you guys probably think I'm naked, but I'm not. Now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and kind of, ooh, this is like supreme coverage. I didn't think it was gonna be like this mask on me. Like, this looks like too much. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with this Camouflage Concealer 24-Hour Wear by the brand Catrice. So I'm just going to take very, very little. Like, very, very little. I'm kind of scared. I think it made my eyes really watery. I think that's what it was. And I'm not trying to get pimples. To contour, you guys already know the drill. I'm taking my foundation stick by Makeup Revolution in the shade F12. I'm trying to get better at this nose contouring thing, but I don't know, you guys, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. My favorite part of makeup is my base. Once I have my base done, I feel like just everything comes together, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with the Dermablend Loose Face Powder. And then if you guys are new here, I always set my eyebrows with powder. I just feel like the pomade gets a grip and it doesn't really like slide on. So yeah, kind of weird. And I just like to go in and set my entire face. You know what? I actually like my base. I feel like it looks pretty bomb, even though it's like caked on, you know what I mean? Like, Alright guys, so moving on to bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYC bronzer in the shade Sunny. So I'm gonna dust it very lightly on my forehead just because my hair is slick to the side, so it already makes my forehead look smaller, like shrink. Oh my god, what did I do? So I'm gonna go ahead and do some contour with this. Bring some color back into my skin. I'm just going to cut my cheekbones, kind of clean everything out. I'm going to be using the exact same loose powder. And for this portion, we're going to be using the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA. This palette, you guys, is super, super pigmented. These shadows do stain my lid, so we're gonna work with it. I don't know if you guys are like nice and zoomed in. I think you guys are nice and zoomed in. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Sickening right here, which is like a very nice transition color that I feel like every palette should have. By popping this on the crease area back and forth. And then this is just going to help the pink kind of blend in there. And then I'm going to take the exact same shade, look up into my mirror and kind of buff it. So moving on, I'm actually going to take the shade Kai Kai, which is the pink one from the palette. And this is the one I'm going to start. And I'm just dipping my brush and I'm going to use the exact same brush. Ooh, that's pigmented. I'm just going to take that. And I'm going to work it on the crease area as well. But I'm starting very, very light. First I'm like packing the color and then I'm gonna go back in and blend it out. Just taking whatever is left on the brush and kind of buffering it on the lower lash line. Kind of want to connect the two. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm going to blend the edges of this shade just so that it doesn't look too harsh. I'm going to take the shade Snatched, which is this one right here, and it kind of looks red, but it's not red, you guys, it's pink. Or at least, I don't know, it performed pink last time. So I'm just going to pack this on the lid. I'm going to start by packing it and then I'm going to go back in and blend everything out. Packing this shade all over the lid, not so close to the pink because I still want the pink to kind of peek through. So once I packed it, I'm going to go back in and blend everything out. I love the fact that there is like no type of fallout. As you guys can see, my lower lash line looks pretty clean. Like underneath I'm having like no kind of fallout. Living. So I went ahead and put some under eye powder just because I am going to blown out the lower lash line, but I don't want it to drag it too low. All right guys, moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Ultimate Eye Pencil by LA Girl. I feel like this is very, very black and intense and it doesn't really like slide on. Whoop. So I really, really like it. So I'm just going to apply some on my waterline. Now I'm just going to pop on some lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Kristen. I lost my glue and I literally used like what I had left. Anyways, I don't know if we should pop on some glitter. Wouldn't that be nice? Should we pop on some glitter? Cara Beauty Galaxy Bomb Shadow in the shade Obsessed. I'm just going to grab some. In my original tutorial, this is it. This is what I wanted the eyeshadow to be, but I'm just going to pop on some glitter because why not? We want to look like a Barbie. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Okay, come through glitters. I've mentioned these like a million times here on my channel. You guys need them. Oh wow, that looks nice. I feel like a Barbie. Moving on to highlighter, I don't know if I should use Ofra in Rodeo Drive or if I should use this one by Wet n Wild. I want something intense today. So I'm now going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Highlighter, you guys, used to be my obsession. I stopped using it to use like other highlights, but watch. It is just beautiful. Then I like to go back into my beauty blender and kind of press it into my skin. So I'm first going to take the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea, my favorite brown lip liner. I'm just going to outline them. Now I'm just going to take this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. Alright guys, and this is the finished and completed look. I really like how everything looks. I feel like the glitter is giving me Barbie vibes. I feel like the blown out pink smoky eye kind of started off as something very simple, and with the glitter I feel like it tied it together and it kind of looks super glam and intense, which I am not mad about. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Also, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link below. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so YouTube will alert you every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.